make our gardens feel gorgeous again. Search Unloved Rooms today.
Girls, why so many beauty products? Us guys like to keep it simple. One bottle of Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 is all you need. Not only does it keep you up to 100% flake-free, it also conditions for manageability. Great looking hair, no fuss. Head & Shoulders 2-in-1. And now the winners of Shampoo Product of the Year. Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 with extra conditioning ingredients.
Dreams have taken